Yeah, on the last video we talked about how to register domain and hosting via Q servers web hosting, and I tried making a payment so that you get to see. So this is a payment we made. This one service, this one domain, and this was a ticket we raised. So what happened when I was inserting my payment method was I had issue with the bank details, like the ATM transfer actually. So it was after I made the payment I had to contact their support ticket, then they granted me access. So here is a open ticket. If you make payment and it doesn't work, or you want to make manual payments, all you need to do is just to come to this open ticket, click on sales. Once you click on sales, ensure you screenshot the debit alert, then type down the subject of the domain for payment for domain and hosting like I did. Then here you insert the write-up, what happened, what you did, and what you're expecting. Then you click down here, choose file to insert the the screenshot you made. Then if it is multiple screenshots, you click on add more, then you verify with I am not a robot, and you click on submit. So that is how to go about it. Once you click on submit, the ticket will be enabled, and if even though the ticket is not passed, or you didn't try to put up any ticket and it happens that they confirm your payment, they will definitely approve your account, and you get to see your domain that you made purchased reflecting. So you can see this was the email they sent. This is supposed to be confidential. So this was the email they sent. These are all your information that you'll be using for your site. This is our domain, the one we made purchase, kingsware.com.ng. This is our username. This is our password. This is our hosting package. We bought starter. This is the IP address, and these are the name savers. So in case you want to import this website to another site to make use of, or want to redirect a domain from another site to this site, that's the essence of this name server. But don't stress yourself on that yet. Once it's done propagating, you can see this is our website, http://www.kingsware.com.ng. so if I click on it now, you discover that nothing is reflecting because we have not started building our site yet. Everything is empty. So this is the control panel. This control panel is where we are going to work on the site installation. Based on the fact that we are not programmers, we don't have much idea, we're trying to use WordPress to develop this site. That's the essence of this control panel that we are going to make use of. So we are going to follow this control panel, and we'll get to see where we install WordPress. These are the details they sent to us. These are the login details they sent to us, to our email. So ensure you register with a functional email, so that once they send you a file or your details, you keep them secure. This should be, you should keep this thing with care. So I will click on this and open it in another tab. Once I click and open, you can see this is the username. This is the username here. This is the username here. Where is it? This is it. Then this is the password to the user to the control panel. You can actually change it later, but for now let me just go on with it this way. So I will come down here and I will insert the password. So once I'm done inserting, I'll click on login. You can see this is our control panel. This is our control panel to this very website. So you can see this is the user, this is our domain, the one we bought. So you can see this. I can decide to change my password here by clicking on this icon here. I will click on change password and security. So I can decide to reset my password here, because this other password you use, that the automated one, or the one that was sent to us, is very hard, complex to comprehend. So you are advised to change your password so that next time you'll be able to recall. So you can decide to log out here, but no issue. So what we are going to do now is we are going to install WordPress. So these are cPanel. This is what controls everything about our website. So here is WordPress. Locate where there is Softaculous app installer and you click on WordPress. So as soon as you click on WordPress, it will take you to where you'll be able to install the WordPress. So I'll do that right away. I'll click on WordPress and allow it to load. You can see. So you look down. If you look down, you get to see where you will install WordPress. So install WordPress now. So here, look up here. Don't touch anything here. This is your domain. But here, ensure you remove this WP. If we install it without WP, it means your website is going to be kingsword.com.ng/WP before people can visit your website. So ensure that there is no redirectory here. There is no indirectory here. So I'll already remove the WP. I will leave it blank. Then this is my website. This is my blog. This is your website name. So this one is going to be Kingsword. Kingsword. Then this one is going to be your motto. I can decide to put professional. Okay, let me put wedding and fabrication. Wedding and fabrication as my, okay, that is it. So I'll come back to this side. You can decide to leave this as admin or user, or give it any username you want. This is our password. I'm going to change it to my own password. So let me hide it for security reasons. So this is it. So that is it. These are admin email, admin@kingsword.com.ng. So the next thing I'm going to do is, you don't touch any other thing again, just leave it the way it is. After inserting your password, user and your site name, come down to click on install. So in few minutes time, you discover that it will be installed instantly. The following errors were the solution request because the following files already exist in the target folder. Index, please delete these files. Select the checkbox to overwrite. Wow, this is serious. So let me continue. So just give it a few minutes for your site to be installed. So I'll pause the video now so that it's done installing. So let's see now. This is our website, Kingsword. This is the front end that people will be able to access our site on. So you can see Kingsword sample page, hello world. There's nothing on this yet. It's just empty. So this is our site. Then let's take a look at the admin area. The second link is the administrative area like administration link. This is a link that will give you access to the dashboard, to where you are going to configure your site. You can see this is a admin area. To your left here, you can see home, update, post, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools, settings, and a whole lot of them. So how do you get to know this? For every website, every WordPress website, it is your URL, which is your domain name stroke wp/admin, not slash, rather is a hyphen, admin. So you can see, let's take a look at what is here. You can see this is the site domain, the domain URL for people to get access to. But this one is your own unique name. This is where you edit from. Then you get to this very dashboard. This is the admin dashboard. This can be accessed only based on the password you created earlier. So ensure you keep them secured. If anybody have access to this area, it means they can do anything to your account. So ensure you keep them secured and you get to see that your site is under some form of security from your end. So that's it. Ensure you watch the next video so that you understand how to go about editing a site or updating a site.